Hello everyone. So today I just received my Clicks keyboard and I'm going to unbox it for the first time and see how it looks. This is for all Razer um, phones, including my Razer 50 Ultra here. Okay, so let's unbox this. Right. So here it is. So this is the box. Okay. This is the keyboard itself and the top case, and that's it, I think. So let's set aside. This is the top case. I'm just checking out the quality and it looks really good. So let's the keyboard, it's very light. Okay, let's see. This is clicks. And you have the start guide here. When inserting or removing the razor from the keyboard, keep the phone straight against the USB connector. Do not bend the phone upwards from the port until fully disconnected. Okay, so I have to plug it like this. Okay, so let's see. So these are just the manual's start guide. And okay, slide eraser. Okay, customize keys. Okay, so let's try it. Okay, fits perfectly. Download the Clicks app here. Okay. So what happens is right after you scan the QR code, you will see like this. Welcome to Clicks. Your journey starts here. Blah blah blah. So you'll have to type in your name. Okay guys, so I just realized that if you're going to use the clicks like this one and then you're gonna type on something, excuse me for the lights, but I don't really have a great camera as of the moment, so sorry for that. But if you're going to type on something and your phone is folded like this, so if you're gonna type on something, it will go black and then you can type from here. So that's the way it is. And if you're going to open it up like this and you type on the application itself, sorry, it's against the light, you can type on the applications text box. But if you're gonna fold it, you're gonna type it in a black canvas. Okay, so that's it, that's the difference. And then the keyboard, it feels very premium. The reason why this is this is such, not that expensive, but a bit of an expensive keyboard, I guess. The keys really clicks, yeah, and I can hear it. You see? Can you hear it? Okay. Um, I really like this keyboard, and I also bought the the blue one. So I'm gonna wait for it, and then I will also show you guys how it looks. But this is the Onyx one, and I really like it because of the shortcut buttons also. And then I have this shortcut to the Gemini AI, I guess. So I'll have to use it. I'll have to know how to use it. So for now, I'm going to try to um, also add or use this. So I don't really want to use this, but they said that this looks pretty good if it has this top case. So let's see. Okay. Okay, fits very well. So you can see if you're using the Ultra, you can see that the screen goes all the way to the sides. But if you're not using the Ultra or the, I guess, just the regular Razr, there's something here at the top, right? You can see that on other videos that other people post. But for now, I really like this keyboard, and I'll create another video just in case something comes up. So, okay, so this is the back. It's a leathery case. This one is this one's leather. Okay. And also, I would like to comment on the box because it's really easy to open, unlike other ones that you have to really open the box and destroy it. But this one's really easy to open. I really like it. Okay, so thank you everyone for watching. See you again next video just in case. And thank you. Bye.